Hi everybody, it's me, Daisy Face Grandma. We're home now, 500 miles later. Um, yes, I have the same clothes on. Haven't changed clothes since yesterday morning. Um, we searched and searched and searched and drove and called for 15 hours. And early this morning, I unfortunately found Daisy. Uh, she's gone. And we're all very devastated. So if you could send prayers, that would be great. And I will post some videos that we took over the weekend before she disappeared at a later date. Just need some time to regroup. Thanks.